Tandy. And there's a Hagrid. Hey, pretty baby. Boy, here's hoping that I got pudding in pretty much any of her Squeak Day video. No, Tandy, I don't have any more. You're the cutest sweetie. So many birds. There's like all the birds. Just over here. Every bird. Lexi does tend to like that one better. I wonder who that was that got in PJ and Escher's nest. Hi, Pippin. No, it was Kara. Oh no. A fearsome boy. Hey, Rigby. Hi, Sony. There comes a Rigby. Hi, Rigby. I don't have treats right now. Treat time is done with. Cody, don't be a cock-blocking bastard. I think he got her that time. Despite Cody's efforts. Sun Tzu. There's a little Sun Tzu on Minnie. Was. Then this Mia came and ran him off. Such a lovely boy. Look at this fluffy boy. Look at this fluff muffin. How are you so cute, Sun Tzu? How are you so cute? How are you so cute, a tiny man? Fluffy. Oh, you're about to be in the wrong box, bud. Hey, Mia. Hey, Asher. Hey, PJ. He made it to his box. What's your favorite? Hello, Mia. Sissy's very lonely. Wonder if anybody's going to end up answering him before his retirement comes up. The only hen who's single right now is Gus, and she's completely uninterested. Hey, Cody. Sammy, Sun Tzu, and Sissy are the only single boys here. There should have been someone for either Sissy or Sun Tzu, but Cody matured way early and took Rigby as a wife. So instead of 2 single cocks, there are 3 single cocks and 1 single, completely uninterested hen. Wonder when Sony will lay her other egg. Or if she'll lay her other egg. Probably this evening. It's me. Poor sad lonely boy. It's definitely looking like the flock has spoken. For both him and Sun Tzu. We'll see if anything develops further before their retirement day. The 30th is when Samhain will officially be 6 months old. So that will be retirement day for one of the adults, and then on the 3rd of next month, Cody will be 6 months. So we'll see how things develop up until that point, but it looks like the flock has spoken concerning Sissy and also Sun Tzu. But I think of the two, Sun Tzu has a slightly higher chance of wooing somebody than Sissy. After having given it some thought, there are 4 breeds I definitely want to add to the program. Would like to add a Figurita, an Exhibition Danzig, a West of England Tumbler with the shortest muffs I can find. They're a long muff breed. So I would like to find a poor quality individual, by which I mean not show quality, having short muffs. And some Utility King blood. We've got some Figurita children reserved. We know 2 companion breeders of Danzigs. So hopefully that will be available to us. And Zephyr is a Utility King, so we have reserved one of his children by Valentine. But what we'd like to do before we bring in new blood is get our emergency enclosure. Hopefully tomorrow I'll be able to lay out exactly how close we are and how much we need to be able to get the emergency enclosure, and also continue to feed everyone for the rest of the month until we get paid out by Patreon again. Just under $60 for 2 weeks worth of feed. That was sad. So if we can so we've just gotten to the point where just what we get from PayPal is enough to pay for a month's worth of feed for everyone. That time he definitely got her. Alrighty, we've hit the 20-minute mark. In addition to our clients, adopters, and apprentices, we would like to thank our subscribers here on YouTube, our patrons on Patreon, the friends of our business page on Facebook, and our followers on Tumblr, Instagram, and Twitter for your contributions, both financial and intellectual.